Hey, good morning. I'm out here doing some roof inspections. You know, everyone sees that I'm usually out doing a lot of residential, but I also we take care of a lot of commercial properties as well. And it's always good. This property owner had given us a call just to come out and check it out, just due to the substantial amount of storms that we've had and with the winds and the hails. But I just want to give you guys a heads up. Anyone in the area that has a commercial property, we'd like to, it's good for us to come out and take a look at it. We document some of the damage, if there's any damage, or even if there is no damage, so that if another storm does come through, that we have it all documented for any other future storms. And for your insurance companies, it's always good to have that documentation. But I show you a little bit what we look at. These are some air conditioning units. Wisconsin had anywhere from 1 inch to all the way up to 4.5 inch hail. But these are the AC units. Look at this hit. Oh, jeez. All right, here we go. It's anywhere from, again, 1 inch to 4 inch hail. But this is what it does to these air conditioning units. And these fins on here, what happens is when they get crushed, it doesn't allow the air to move through them to properly allow it to function. So it's a fairly large, not very big, but fairly large commercial roof. We have to look at that church next. Make sure we take a look at that as well. It's got a metal roof up on it. And these are the first things that I come up and look at to see if, and insurance companies are going to look and, want the collateral. But there's a lot of metal coping on here. We got an EPDM system down there, TPO system up here, and this kind of tells what we're looking at and what has hit this area. But again, I am out here doing no obligation inspections. Again, it's good to document, whether there is damage or not damage. Just have somebody up there to take a look at these roofs. If there's no damage, we document it, we keep it in our file, and we'll come out on the next storm and take a look at it, or provide you with a quote if it's time or in need of a roof replacement. Jason, Total Restoration. You can reach us at 262-334-9110. I'm sure I'll be on here later today, but I hope everyone has a wonderful day. It's beautiful outside.